One of the biggest mistakes many goat farmers make is believing that once they've bought their breeding stock, the hard part is over. In reality, the biggest challenge is managing the recurring expenses that come with keeping goats healthy, productive, and profitable. If you don't plan for these expenses, they slowly eat into your profits. Let's look at some of the most important recurring costs every goat farmer should budget for. Firstly, vaccinations. Every year, your goats need the routine vaccinations to protect them against common diseases. These are not optional expenses. They are investments that help prevent costly disease outbreaks. Secondly is your feed plan. Feed is often the largest expense in goat production. During the rainy season, grazing may be enough, but in the dry season, you need hay, crop residues, concentrates, and some mineral supplements. If you fail to plan for feed, your goats lose condition, the fertility drops, and the growth rate slows down. A third is your deworming program. Internal parasites are one of the biggest hidden causes of poor performance in goat production. A well-planned deworming schedule based on your veterinary advice and your farm conditions help keeps your herd healthy and productive. Fourth is your spraying or tick control schedule. External parasites like ticks, mites, and lice reduce productivity and help spread diseases. Whether you are spraying, dipping, or using pour-on treatments, these products need to be part of your farm budget. Another recurring expense is staff salaries. If you employ workers, their wage should always be included when calculating the true cost of producing goats. Labor is an investment in the success of your enterprise. Finally, always keep a supply of emergency drugs, because emergencies don't wait for payday. So buy essential veterinary supplies in batches, so you are prepared when an animal gets injured or falls sick. A well-stocked medicine cabinet can help save lives and reduce losses. The lesson is simple. Profitable goat farming isn't just about selling goats. It's about managing your costs, and farmers who budget for recurring expenses are better prepared, and they make better decisions and build stronger, more profitable businesses. So ask yourself this question. Do you know how much it really costs to keep your goats for a year? I am the Grandfarmer. Follow for more practical farming knowledge to help farm smarter and build a profitable agricultural business. Thank you.